What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can create a crypto wallet on Coinbase. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, we will create our Coinbase wallet. In order to do that, what you have to do is you just have to go to Google. Now, in the Google, simply search for Chrome Web Store or Chrome Store. While searching for that, we'll open up these website. Here you have to click on this first link, which should say chromewebstore.google.com. Now this will open up these things. Now here you simply have to search for Coinbase wallet. So I'm just going to search for Coinbase and you will be able to see Coinbase wallet just popped up. As you can see, if I click on this Coinbase wallet extensions, these things will pop up. Here I'm going to click on this Coinbase wallet extension. Now, after clicking on this, you just have to click on this add to Chrome and click on add extension. And there you go, the extension will be installed in your Google Chrome. Now, once you're done with that, you just have to do this thing. You just have to click on this extension and you'll be able to see Coinbase just installed up. So you just have to open up your Coinbase wallet extension. Once it is done, you will be able to see these animations. Here, click on this create a new wallet. And then simply click on this copy to clipboard and this will be copied to your clipboard. This is actually your secret key. Now I'm going to click on this continue and then they will want you to insert the data that you just copied. So what I will do is I will just quickly insert the data. Now they want me to enter the first and the last word. So I know my first and the last word. So I will just simply enter my first word and then I will enter my last word. Where is it? There you go. After entering that, I'm going to click on this submit and there you go. It wants me to set a password. Now in this password, I will simply set up a put password. So setting up the password shouldn't be difficult. Just create some capital words into it, create some small words into it, word letter into it, and then a symbol as well. After that, agree to the terms and then click on submit. And there you go. Your Coinbase wallet is ready to use. Now you can use it to buy, swap, or do anything what you want. Hope you guys find this video helpful.